let's hop to it.
Well, what's up, everybody? We're in Bluey this morning, our blue dump truck, and there's always a but first. We gotta unload this machine and this trailer so we can get started with our day. I think we're gonna be hauling some dirt to some backyards, to that retaining wall that we did. I mentioned that in my last video, I believe. But let's get started. So yeah, this whole weekend was a warm weekend. Oh boy, was it hot. Even yesterday. I think that yesterday was like 115. It said it was gonna be like, it felt like 117, but today's gonna be like 91. That's a little better. Still hot, but way better than 117. Fluids checked. Filters cleaned. We're in the 305. I gotta get over there and move a little bit more dirt and all that gravel, pile of gravel you see over there. I don't know if I can. I gotta put it in this back patio. Leave that height of the patio higher so it doesn't screw us on grade. Basically, I just gonna cut me a little path right here to get that gravel there to this spot here. And we might come haul all this dirt today out of here. I'm not sure yet. The boss is on his way, but we're just gonna get us a little path over here. This thing needs a new cutting blade on it, cutting edge, whatever you call it. It's digging into the bucket itself. Another little project. Just gotta go down and buy the bolts. So I'm basically just waiting for the boss to get here. Tyler's here, but we need to know if we're gonna haul some more dirt to these backyards and just cut back what's in there and then see what we got first. So we're just kind of waiting on him. So on Friday, the backfill I did on this house over there. So now I'm just going to pretty up the sides a little bit. I was in a super hurry Friday, y'all may know. I can't get a better angle of it. Yeah. Still waiting for the boss to tell us if we gotta put more rock behind that retaining wall or not before we backfill it. I'm gonna get this fired up, the 249. Get it fired up for Tyler, warmed up. It's hot outside this morning, or today. So maybe I should blast the heater for him. No, I'll be nice. Well, stop. So now I'm gonna hop back in the 305 and we're gonna go shape out them yards till the boss gets here. Get out of there! got going here. That's what we're gonna use to backfill it. So I gotta make my way around the house, around that way, go do around that back patio. So this is basically see how much dirt we're gonna need to hog in here, if any at all, because I don't know if you can see this on camera or not. Oh, it's kind of dirty. We're sitting on a lot of dirt. So we can push all this up over that way, up over that way. Kind of fan it out over there a little bit. But I am having an off day with grading today. But I can't just not work, so I'll just keep going. All right, you know the standard for me, so change of plans is what I'm trying to say. Frank showed up in the truck. We were gonna dig this utility. This one has a sewer hookup and a storm. And we gotta run the storm all the way from that over there, all the way across the driveway. So let's get started digging. Basically, I forgot to hit record, and we're starting on a water line trench. It's gotta be 24 inches deep. Yep, we're recording. Okay. I think we're about there. What was that? No. Yep. That is the new superintendent, yeah. His name is Jareth. I saw him come Friday while we were, what? No, his back is too bad. But that was the boss. And just gotta go talk about over there at the bottom of the house over there. It's got a retaining wall, and then the slopes. Well, this slope slid, and we told them to put a retaining wall at the very beginning, but they didn't listen. So now we get paid to go do something. I don't think we can get a machine down there to dig for the retaining wall, so that might be a shoveling all day type of ordeal. Anyway, we're just gonna continue on. Found my power sleeve, or power conduit. And then now we're gonna go keep moving on. We got our water, power. So there's stub out right there for our power, our 2-inch. Gas is gonna go a couple feet from that, and then all the way right till about over there at the back of the garage. That's where our water line is going. I don't think we're gonna open this storm today because it's It's right in the middle of the driveway, and we're gonna have a big trench, and we got gravel coming tomorrow. So we're gonna save on this. I want to get to the sewer right there. We'll start digging that. Frank's almost done with the rain drains. Got bumping music. Yo, yeah. For free. Free. Ooh, it's kind of rocky. We're getting on the sewer here. Where's that? I guess it don't really matter what side we use. Yeah, so the storm is gonna come out here, either double 45 and shoot that way, or just 90. But yeah, that's not gonna be open until tomorrow. Well, starting my little benching process here on the sewer. Move some dirt. I'm not gonna move all this dirt out of the front yard because it'll make it that much quicker to backfill. Probably do have to cut out the front patio though. Oh well. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. We got our sewer all done. Me and Frank both laid that. Basically, when you're doing a utility, when the excavator is done in that trench, the pipe layer should be in that trench. That's kind of how it goes here. So, got the power done, water all the way to the back of the house. We'll run all the conduit and gas line tomorrow after inspections. And that's gonna wrap this one up for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time.